the mission for today is to find some bits and pieces, some plants or pieces of decor to decorate the garden and the house for Halloween and for fall in general. I love doing that every year. Last year we had done a wonderful tablescape, and this year I have a couple of areas in the garden that I want to decorate, specifically a little shelf where I have some new terracotta pots that I want to fill up, and also I have two bigger, larger containers that I want to place on either side of the sofa. Let's go shopping and see where we can find. I had to upgrade my trolley size. This is crazy. I found a great collection of plants that are giving me all the fall vibes. I want to create some mini containers for fall, and I think you're going to love these. First, it can't be fall without talking about pansies or violets. So I picked up a flat of 6 of this wonderful burgundy, maroon, and even a little bit pink color. Very fall. And there's a 6 in this lovely shade of orange, an apricot orange, which is of course quintessential fall. And they should keep blooming throughout the season until the frost, and most of them are pretty winter hardy, so they can pick up right back into spring. Probably something that is in every garden center, but that I couldn't resist this year. It's an annual, it's a pepper, Caspium annuum. This variety is called Medusa specifically, so this is not edible, even though you could probably get away with getting an edible pepper plant and using it in your display so you can harvest from it, and it will give you a lot of interest with the ripening colors. Also picked up this really cute Goldilocks, and the Latin name is Lysimachia. Really pretty. It's going to trail off of the container. I really love the chartreuse green, and I think this is going to grow pretty fast. I also picked up 2 ferns in these smaller containers that are great to plant in the fall in the landscape. They will grow really quickly, so first we're going to use them in containers and then replant them in the landscape in the new flower bed that we just started in this woodland garden. These are Dryopteris erythrosa red cross. Heucheras and eucorellas are also a great investment piece for your fall and winter garden because they stay evergreen and they typically come in a wonderful range of colors, from these really uptonal shades to reds, and also simply in a light green. There's a heuchera out there for everyone, and this one is Heucherella sweet tea, and I really love that it had a bicolor foliage with something lighter on the edges and a darker red color in the middle. This is the haul, and now I want to plant this up in some smaller terracotta pots that I just got that have a lovely rolled rim. So let's get to planting. All right, and I'm thinking we could do 2 symmetrical containers with the little fern or heucheras that are perennials, which I'm going to replant in the landscape come spring, but that we can enjoy for this season in smaller containers. And then we'll still have some of the violas, so I think this is going to look lovely together and also tie in with the rest of the containers. I am obsessed with how it turned out. It is fall in a shelf, fall in a little grouping of containers. I love it. I couldn't be more pleased with how this project turned out. I got these beautiful low bowls in summer at the same time as the small scallop containers that we just planted in the shelf. And I thought they would be the perfect scale next to the sofa. And I just picked up 2 Pittosporum tenuifolium midget. They take very nicely to being cut back and trained into topiary form, so these should be pretty easy to keep as a sphere like this. Save the tag to remember the exact variety you planted. Let's add some finishing touches. I love decorating the garden, but also my home. Came across several inspiration pictures on Pinterest and on Instagram of a table essentially in a woodland with beautiful light, and I wanted to recreate it for a romantic yet a little bit spooky Halloween day.